So in a lot of lotteries, you just have to choose numbers, and if you choose all the right numbers, then you win. And the order doesn't matter. You don't have to choose the numbers in the same order that they appear. Like Lotto 649 is a common one, where there's 49 numbers to choose from, and you have to choose 6 of them. The example on the side has Lotto Max, where you have to choose one extra number, so there's 49 numbers, and you choose 7 of them. So here's the game of Keno. You have to pick 20 numbers from 80. So the question is, how many combinations, how many different possible solutions could there be if 20 numbers get chosen from 80? So the first thing you're going to do in a combinations question, besides the fact that this one says combinations, which makes it really obvious that it's a combinations question and not a permutations question, but you're going to have to ask yourself, does the order matter? And if the order matters, then you're going to solve it as a permutation. If the order doesn't matter, then you're going to solve it as a combination. And for combinations, we have 80 numbers. We want to choose 20 of them. And this is on our calculator as well. But using the formula, one thing you'll notice about the formula is this number here is always going to be on the top of your formula. And on the bottom, you will always have the other number and a number that adds up. So 20 plus 60 equals 80, and that's what the formula would look like. And if you type this into your calculator, 3.54 times 10 to the 18, which is a very, very large number. Does anyone know, just thinking of Lotto 649, how do they write it? Do they write it like that? Something like that? Have you ever seen billboard ads that it now says that a jackpot is over 35 million and something like that? So if there's 49 numbers and you have to choose 6 of them, go to your calculator and find out how many possibilities there are. And I'm going to tell you today how to win the lottery. You can guarantee win it. It's just a little expensive. $13,983,816. That's how many different possibilities of 6 numbers could come out of Lotto 649. Now, how much are tickets? $2? About? I think they're about $2 each. I don't buy lottery tickets. So that means if you spent just under $28 million, you could buy every single ticket and you'd be guaranteed to win. So again, it wouldn't be too smart of a choice if the max prize was 25 million that week, because then it would cost you 28 million to win 25 million. But if it was 50 million and you're guaranteed to win, that could be a possibility, although you'll find it's very hard to find a bank that's willing to give you $28 million to buy lottery tickets. Most of them will say no. All of them will say no. Because what's the problem? What happens if somebody else wins? Right? 2 other people win, and you have to split it 3 ways, and you owe the bank $28 million just to win the lottery? Could be a problem. Yes?
Also, happens if you're too slow to handle all the tickets.
Yeah, then there's...